take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on that highway, you know.
So yeah, I'm gonna stop and sit down.
Wow! Come on, and groove along. Come on.
Hey guys!
Linda, what do you think about our hike so far today?
Oh, it has been so beautiful, and the leaves are back on the trees. Hey guys, we're headed out.
About ready to head out?
Come and groove along. You gotta feel it. Yeah, you gotta move along. You gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it.
Hey guys, welcome to Denison, Texas, the birthplace of Dwight Eisenhower. Come along with us. We're going to be exploring President Dwight Eisenhower's birthplace. The town of Denison is just adorable. We're going to be seeing Eisenhower State Park. So come along with us, guys.
Guys, you gotta understand, my wife loves the water and the beach. And we can find a beach like this on Lake Texoma, even better. So she spent the day out of there, wouldn't leave, had to take in everything she could. There were caves, the water was clear, there was this beautiful walkway down to this little bay of a beach. Big rocks that you can lay out on. You know, it's not a sandy beach, but there are great sandy beaches on the lake, just not right here. Now this is down toward the dam, looking from Eisenhower State Park out over the water. Even our dog Winston loved it there. Again, more of the caves, great exploring. I had to cook, you bet. Had a burger on the grill, love that. Have to do it every chance I get. And then next morning, bacon and eggs. You got it, guys.
So we're here in the great state of Texas, and we are headed to Eisenhower State Park. It is a beautiful park, and we're going to be driving into check-in and find out the scoop on this state park. There are so many amenities you're going to want to hear about.
Use, but we have a state park pass, is that right?
Does that
So,
work?
okay. Check it.
So,
You got our maps.
I don't know.
Is the swimming beach area open today, or?
No, the state is redoing all the roads, so down there at the end it is closed. Yeah, they're starting that in and coming this way.
Okay.
That way later on you'll have a better experience out here.
How long is the redo going to be going?
For 2 months.
2 months.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, just stay on that road 20A there and just explore the whole park.
Okay, and so the highlights are the fishing pier, the beach, which is closed. There's some trails back there.
Right, a lot of trails, and we have trails that start here also. If you at the stop sign there, if you go right, that'll take you to Armadillo Hill.
Okay.
And that's like the beginning part on some of the trails, but you can start them anywhere up through there.
Okay.
Okay. Any other thing we need to see?
Just check it all out. We've got the Eisenhower Yacht Club here. They've got a marina, a store, screen shelters, cabins. So quite
all right, great.
Great.
We'll check it
Thank you,
out.
sir.
Thank
Thanks.
y'all for coming out.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
We're headed over to where we're going to be camping. We're in the section of the park called Bodart. Some people say Bose d'Arc. I think it's Bodart, but anyway, so we head into this section of the state park, and you can see the big tall trees. Look at those pull-through lots. All these pull-through spaces have a lot of room. You can get your camper in there, your vehicle. You can get an extra vehicle. They're spaced apart from each other. You don't feel like you're on top of everybody. Look at that vintage camper. I love that. In fact, we met with those people and had a chance to hear the story of how they were redoing their rig. It was great. Every campsite comes with a picnic table, and now we're pulling down. Our space is just right up here on the left. In fact, there's two that are open right now. We're going to pull through the first one and go over to the second one. That's the one we're assigned. And here we are. You can see we've got our picnic table. We look onto the lush green, and right beyond the green, you can't see from the picture here, is actually the water of the Lake Texoma. So it's a great place to camp. Our awnings went out. Our dog went out. We just loved it.
That's nice.
What I love about this state park, it has a wonderful fishing pier. And guys, it's even lit at night. There are so many memories you and your family could have out here. And look for those striper bass.
That are fishermen, you're going to enjoy this place and appreciate it very much. Look at the fish cleaning table in here. Is that great or what? Huge concrete table, water coming down, place to dump all your fish carcasses. It is fantastic. Completely screened in, nice cool breeze coming through. Yeah, it makes me want to go out here and catch some of the big stripers that are here in Lake Texoma. What do you think, Linda?
Wow! Love it. Cleaning station was super cool. So now we are headed down to the Eisenhower Yacht Club. Come along with us, guys.
This is Eisenhower Yacht Club, and this is where the main building is for all the marina facilities. There is boathouses, multiple boathouses. I don't know, they probably have a couple of hundred boats that I'd bet. This is the ship store right here. That's where you go down and get all your supplies and fuel, and this is driving back up from the ship store back into the main part of Eisenhower State Park. So we're going to go take a look at some of the campsites and campgrounds. This is actually one of the little cabins or shelters that they have. They're fully screened in, and they have nice airflow. There is electricity to them. They're not air conditioned. They're more of a shelter, but it's great. You can set up tents in here. Eisenhower has tent sites, shelter sites. They've got sites for campers. They've got sites for large rigs, the 50 amp hookups, 30 amp hookups, you name it, they have it. Our state park, and we're going to take a little walk and a little hike actually down one of the trails, and there is a lot to see. A lot of the trails will go right along the lakeside and beautiful cliffs to see. Unfortunately, because they're redoing some of the roads right now, yeah, we can't see a lot of it, or can't get to the parts where the cliffs are, but still this is a beautiful trail, so well worth the hike and a lot of fun. It's a comfortable spring day. It's cool out here. There's nice shade on the trees, and this will be fun.
Yeah, you gotta move along. Gotta feel it.
We're about 2 miles in or so far, and we came upon a bench. So yeah, I'm gonna stop and sit down with Linda and rest for a while, but it's a beautiful spot right here in the shade, and it looks nice. And Linda, what do you think about our hike so far today?
It is gorgeous out here, guys. It is so nice to be connecting with nature and walking down with all the leaves in the trees. And we have come here for years. And so getting to come down here today on such a gorgeous spring day is just really uplifts my spirit. So having a great day.
Okay, I am not that big of a hiker, but on a day like this, when it's cool and the sun's shining and everything is so green, it's perfect. So we're having a good day.
Absolutely. Come along with us, guys. Hey guys, we are headed to President Dwight Eisenhower's birthplace. So come along with us.
President Dwight D. Eisenhower was our 34th president, and he was born right here in this house in Denison, Texas.
Guys, Denison, Texas is so charming. The downtown area is just packed full of quaint shops. They've got a winery. They have got clothing galore. you will find something, whether you're looking for candles, and don't miss out on Hey Sugar ice cream. They even have this Rialto Theater that's always fun. There is so much history to be able to tour around, and now we're going to get some yummy food at Watson Hamburgers, and it's an old-fashioned drive-through. Wonder what we're going to have today. A large Diet Coke.
We only have Diet Dr. Pepper.
Sure, Diet Dr. Pepper. A grilled chicken wrap. And a unsweet iced tea, please.
Let's see what we got here.
What'd you get, Doc?
Oh, good and crispy. Look at those. That's good. So, corn dog. Look at that baby. That is a corn dog. Ooh, hot. Look how big the meat is in that. Denison has this great old train station that you still can go inside. In fact, there's a restaurant in there. Then there's this vintage train with all the accompanying cars you can take a look at. And right across the track is a Travelers Hotel. That had to really be something back in the day. Downtown is this multi-story old hotel that's currently under renovation. I can't wait. I want to stay there.
Just rearranged my table too. It was all pretty with women's stuff, and now it's set for Doc Holiday.
Awesome. I love it.
Hey guys, this is our friend Helen. This is her shop in Denison. Tell us about it, Helen.
Well, it's called For Gifts Unique. I'm here Tuesday through Saturday, and got some wonderful things for everybody, books and soap line and handmade jewelry.
And really cute towels. And, you know, look at this. Like, for those Longhorn lovers out there, boy.
Hey, hook 'em horns, right?
Head on over here, guys. This is the cutest spot.
This is our downtown Denison map and directory. And inside is a listing of all of the businesses. And we have an artist that designed our Main Street. And they're all color-coded with the business numbers on them. And then there's Main Street Mall, which is the next block, and CJ's Coffee. And down the other direction is Vintage Mercantile.
Okay.
And across the street from that is Blackbird Cafe. It's a really good place to eat.
Ooh, Blackbird Cafe, that sounds, I'm kind of hungry for
real
lunch.
good.
Guys, if you've enjoyed this, please give us a subscribe and like. It would really appreciate it. Thanks for coming along with us today, and make sure to click that next video and watch it right now.